after my last video exposing the toxic chemicals in synthetic braiding hair, the comments were wild. Look at this one from Jennifer. She says, my scalp always itches and irritates me anytime I make these hairstyles. I used to think it was the tension caused by having an attachment in, but now I know better. This is very sad. Some of us like Colette have been rocking their natural hair for years. Big kudos to you all the naturalistas in the house. Some of you were asking, what do we do now? Is there a way to make synthetic braiding hair safer? So today I'm going to show you guys the exact step-by-step method that actually works so that you can slay. Yes, you need to slay without all the itching, the burning, and the irritation. But let me warn you guys, there are two big mistakes that most people make when detoxing their braiding hair. So guys, stay with me because at the end of this video, I'll tell you exactly what those mistakes are, and I have a free gift for you all that will make detoxing 10 times easier. So make sure you watch all the way through till the end. We are not about to let these chemicals play us anymore, and that's on period. Before we even get into the detox, let me ask you guys something. Have you ever installed braids and within hours you are scratching like a DJ at a party? Or worse, you felt like your scalp was on fire, but you pushed through because beauty is pain, right? My country people, why are we like this? If you've ever been in that struggle, drop your favorite struggle emoji in the comment section. So guys, did you know that your scalp's natural pH is between 4.5 and 5.5? This simply means that it is slightly acidic, and that is what keeps our scalps healthy. But synthetic hair is the exact opposite. It is alkaline. So when you install your hair straight from the pack, your scalp is like, what is this madness? Excuse me, what's going on here? And that is where the itching, the burning, and the flaking start. Some of these chemicals affect way more than just your scalp. They actually mess with your health. So if you want to know exactly what's in this synthetic braiding hair, go watch my first video. It opened a lot of eyes. I'm going to link it on the screen and in the description box. Trust me guys, you need to know about this. There are 3 main detox ingredients, and I'm going to tell you how each of these ingredients work so that you can further understand what goes on when you detox your hair. The first one is called baking soda. Baking soda simply helps to break down and loosen the chemical coatings that are found on the hair, making it easier to remove. Think of it like a pre-wash. It makes the next steps more effective. But if this step is too much for you, don't worry. You can actually skip this step because it is optional. You can still detox your hair without baking soda. The next ingredient is called apple cider vinegar. It's very common, and this is the most popular method. It is known as the neutralizer. So guys, if you want to use apple cider vinegar, you need to know that it is acidic. And that is exactly what we need to neutralize the alkaline that is in the hair. Can you guys see all these bubbles? These are the reactions that are happening. The neutralization process that is taking place as the ACV breaks down the last bit of alkaline residue on this hair. The next ingredient is lemon juice. How it works is similar to the ACV. It is acidic and it helps to neutralize the harsh alkaline residue. Now let's dive into the full detox process step by step. Now, let's talk about the two biggest mistakes that most people make and the free gift that I have made just for you guys. Can any of you guess what it is? If you can, let me know in the comment section. Before we do that, guys, how are you detoxing your braiding hair before you watch this video? Or is this whole detox process actually new to you? Like you've never heard of detoxing your synthetic braiding hair before? Drop your comments below. I would love to hear from you all. So now let's talk about the two biggest mistakes that most people make. And here's the first one. A lot of people only do the ACV rinse and think that is just enough. But if you want the best detox, like you want it to be 100% effective, then you don't want to skip the first step, which is soaking your hair in baking soda first. It actually helps to prep the hair for ACV or lemon juice so that they can do the neutralization process better. And the second mistake is not letting the hair dry completely before installing. Now, this is where things can get really nasty. If you're braiding your hair while it's still damp, what you're doing is that you're basically setting up a bacteria breeding ground on your scalp. And after all of that detoxing that you've just gone through, why would you want to risk that? But if all of these steps actually feel too much for you, you can still get good results by just doing the ACV method or the lemon rinse method alone. They work well, but they're not as effective as doing the two steps, baking soda and apple cider vinegar, or baking soda and lemon juice. So guys, I know this was a lot and I don't want you guys guessing or stressing about detoxing your hair the right way. So I have put together a free braiding hair detox guide with step-by-step instructions, exact soaking times, the best recipes, pro tips, and even answers to the most common detox mistakes, because yes, a lot of people actually do this the wrong way. So if you want to make sure that your scalp is safe and your detox is 100% effective, grab your free guide now. The link is in the description box below. Now, let me just say this. Detoxing helps a lot, but it is not a cure-all. It doesn't strip off all of the chemicals from synthetic braiding hair. So what's your next move? Now, if you're wondering what braiding hair brands are actually safe and chemical-free, or if natural hair is the best bet for you, then I have some videos coming up and you want to make sure that you are subscribed so that you don't miss out on those videos. Before I go, guys, I just want to take a moment, more than a moment basically, to thank you all. The love, the comments, the engagement, the transformation. I see you all, I appreciate you all, and we are all in this together. It is because of your comments that I felt I should make this video so that you all have the right guide on how to detox your hair. So guys, let's keep this conversation going. Drop an emoji, drop a comment down below, and let me know if you're going to detox your braiding hair from now on. You've just learned something that will change your scalp health forever. Now that you know the truth, don't keep this to yourself. Oh. How many people do you know that still install their braids straight from the pack? That's like a whole crisis that is waiting to happen. So share this with your friends, your family members, your hairstylist, your braid plugs, like whoever needs to hear this. Let's make sure that no one is suffering from any of these things that we've talked about anymore. And hit like if you're ready for more game-changing tips. Subscribe as well so that you never have to miss out on any hair saving video. Because if we don't talk about these things, guys, who will? See you in the next video, and until then, stay safe, stay informed, and protect your crown.